Here's the big picture. Audio from the microphone feeds into the Kalman filter, which delivers a smooth estimate of fundamental frequencies and its dynamics. That estimate drives our MPC, which computes the incremental mix adjustments. Finally, the MPC output sets the plugin's wet-dry knob on the effect. Let's go into the Kalman filter in more detail. We treat the singer's pitch and pitch velocity as hidden states. Every 10 millisecond frame, we predict forward, then correct using the raw frequency measurements. This two-step process gives us a minimum variance, noise-robust estimate of the current fundamental frequency. Once we have a smooth pitch trace, we decide singing by checking the following: the variance of the last second half of the pitch staying below the threshold, the voicing confidence metric exceeding its threshold, and finally applying a short median filter plus hang time to suppress rapid toggling. Next, the MPC block takes that binary singing flag as its reference and solves a small optimization over a 5-frame horizon. It balances two objectives: tracking the singing speaking target and minimizing control efforts so that mix changes aren't too abrupt. We apply only the first output of each frame, then repeat, yielding a smooth fade that respects our maximum per frame change limit. Finally, the MPC's output directly drives the reverb's wet-dry parameter. For offline validation, we ran 3 files: talking.wav, singing.wav, and both.wav. Shown here is a spectrogram of the both.wav file, with our ground truth singing intervals marked roughly between 5 to 10 seconds and again from 15 to 18 seconds. Here is a frame-by-frame result on both.wav. With these parameters, we achieved a 90.9 accuracy on this file, 80% precision, and 100% recall. Finally, now let's switch to the live demo. So here's the interface for the live singing detector. I have already calibrated it for my voice by recording 10 seconds of talking and singing, and it gave me the following results. You can change these obviously all manually if desired. Now to start processing, you just press start processing. Make sure the microphone input is whatever is needed to be. Make sure your gain is at a correct volume where it's being detected. I turned it up a little bit just because my mic is low. So right now it knows that I'm just talking, and if I go to the plots, you can see my voicing probability is below the level, and it knows that I'm just talking normally. But then if I start singing, I'm singing a song, it has it turn on, and it detects that I'm singing. And you can see here that it detected that I sang, and it decided to do a smooth. Right now the MPC has it do this type of smoothing. Now, during an actual song, they would be singing for a lot longer, and you would probably want to set this hang time maybe even longer, and then you would have the smooth transitions in and out, because the worst thing you can have is sudden jittering inside a song. And yeah, that's how the live system works.